Back again with another hallelujah. So I know this is cheating a little bit to my last video. I said we're going to do a new lesson every week. And technically this is a new lesson because this is a completely different way of playing the same song, but you're in the same key. That's the great thing about this, is that you can interchange parts. If you watched the last lesson video on hallelujah, we were doing it all down low on the neck. This one, we're going to do it up high. And then at the end, I'll just show you a couple ideas about interchanging them. So let's get right into it. We're a higher definition video here, so we gotta try and keep these videos a little shorter now because it's gonna fill up my camera. Alright, so same key, same chords, just different voicings. So the D, we are now doing it with an add 4, so 0, 0, 4. For the most part, there's still some other open Ds in there. A B minor, which we're going to do 5, 5, 5. A G, which we're going to do 3, 3, 5. A, which we're going to do 4, 4, 4. And then for the bridge, D again, and the G again. Then we're going to do an A, add 6. So when I say that, add 4, we're adding the 4th fret. Add 6, we're adding the 6th fret to. So it's going to be 4, 4, 6. And then we're going to do a B, add 7, which is going to be 5, 5, 7. A G, which is going to be 3, 3, 3. F sharp. This is the one that I'm not happy with. Normal F sharp is here, but it's also up here. But the voicing doesn't really work for the song, but I haven't found an alternative yet. You can technically do it like that as well, but that one doesn't work either. So it's... we'll get to that later on. We'll explain it more. And then a B again. And then of course is the G, B minor. But this B minor we're going to do 2, 1, 2. That's all the chords. Okay. So everything on the last video, we said everything was based off the 2nd fret on a low string. Same idea here. Everything is based off your 5th fret on your middle string. So that's where we start. And then into the D. Back to that 5th fret. Into the B. That 5th fret note. D. You do that twice, and then 4th fret on your high string. That's your next transition note into the G, and then your transition note is the 5th fret on your high string, and then you go into your A. Back to your 4th, and then you turn around in the A again. So let's do it slow all together. Sorry. Let's do it again. So playing it up higher frets, you have more of a chance of pressing too hard or bending the strings as you play them. Like if you press too hard, you're just gonna go out of key, right? So you want to press straight down so you don't bend them, and just lightly. That will help you a lot when you're playing up higher. Now the bridge. So it starts the same on the 5th middle, D, and then it's a through G, add 5, into the A, add 6. Then go one more up to the B, add 7. Back to your G, 3, 3, 3. And then we're going to add that middle note on the 4th fret on the middle string. And then we come up one to the A, to the F sharp, 6, 5, 6, to the B, 5, 5, 5. All together. One more time. We should add too, I know in last we went quite a bit into the picking of how to pick it out. This version we're doing more strumming, but that if you wanted to do the same picking as the other version, it works. It's the exact same pattern, so you should actually technically watch that video first because that's an easier way of playing this, and then once you get that you can come back to here. Chorus, again, middle 5th, starts there. No, wait. Okay, yeah, middle 5th, high 4th. And into that G, add 5. Okay, so. And then it's 5, 4, on all in a high string, into your B minor, 2 on 2. Work your way back up, 2, 4, G5. Second time you're doing a D, add 2, A, so one more time. Oops. So that's it. That's second way of playing this song. And like I said, they're interchangeable. That's what I like. You know, and I don't like the F sharp, so I've been going back and forth, but I'm always, instead of doing that, I'm doing the other version. So I screwed up there. What's new? It's one of those things. I got the first part pretty down, but when you're doing the second part, I'm still kind of not there on it. So when you're trying to interchange them, it's not there yet, but it will come. And it's one of those things, like I said, once you get both parts and you can go back and forth between them, oh, it's another song. This song just keeps on giving. And imagine this is my fourth video of Hallelujah. And I might end up doing a fingerstyle on this down the line. I'll have 4 videos. Anyways, that's it for this one. We will see you guys next time. Practice patience, have fun.